I'm trying to revival a little bit these black trims with shoe wax. This one it's cream, but liquid also works. I think it's giving a pretty nice result, and it stays for quite a long time. Um, just go all around, maybe pass once, twice, give it 2 layers maybe, and it's just very easy to work with this. See this corner. I think last time I did it was a few years ago. I know there are other products like Back to Black and stuff like this, but I just didn't care ordering that thing. And for me, show wax works just as good. You may want to wipe with a damp cloth on the paint, just clean it off. Yeah, watch your hand. I do use gloves. Of course, you can use maybe paint tape or stuff like that, but yeah, you can do a better job than I do. But this is cream, it's kind of cream. I remember last time I did use liquid wax. Basically, I got it from a dollar store, but now the dollar stores sell really colored water, so but the liquid wax, as long as it's decent quality, it's just it's perfect. Actually, it does the job. It's not gonna bring it like black, new black, like from when it left the showroom, but it does work, and you can tell it gives you a very nice clean look.